We're doing the second story addition here, and a lot of people don't like these second story additions on Eichlers. And what we've tried to do is set this way back. This sits from this point right here, 20, 40. The second story addition sits 40 feet back from the front of the house, which sits 20 feet from the street. So we're 60 to 65 feet back from the street before that second story even starts to appear. One of the things we always do is we do infrastructure testing. So a couple of months ago, we ran cameras down the sewer lines and checked stuff out to know what condition those were in, had the radiant heating system tested. So basically, we know there was no problems prior to this construction starting. Now we've gone over here, we've saw cut the concrete, we've jackhammered through the concrete, and we'll have to repair those pipes. But what we know is everywhere else in the house, the project's good. So this was the existing living room over here, actually the existing family room, and this is going to become the living room. Over here was the existing, and this was the dining area where you're standing right here, and this was the kitchen through here. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand this kitchen out. This wall's coming down, there's going to be an island in here. Okay, it's going to be open all to out there. That's going to become the dining room. Where that huge beam is right there, that beam is going to raise up to the ceiling, and then on the other side of that beam, that ceiling is going to pop up another, I think 18 inches here at this point, and like another 3 feet over at the outside wall. So when you get over here, this beam will be gone. There will be another beam that's raised up and catch all these rafters here, and the bottom of this beam will now be at the bottom of those beams. Then we have to have a pony wall coming up above that to create this wall now, which go out at an angle, and it'll just bring all that light flooding into this house. There'll be a couple of skylights in the kitchen there, and this will be these huge panes of glass with a sliding glass door, and this will be the dining room here. We have to modify this fireplace because it's unreinforced masonry. It doesn't meet today's current standards. So that's kind of what's happening here. This used to be a bedroom over here. This bedroom is going away, and it's going to be the stairwell to the second floor. It's going to be a beautiful light tower, lots of glass and windows in that. This hallway will now go away. The wall we extended, that wall will go away. This will become an enlarged bedroom here. And now the access to the bedrooms will all be through here, with a stairwell coming up here, turning and going up there. Glass up above, as you saw in the pictures over there. Big glass windows facing out into this courtyard. There's a beam right here. So I'm going to raise this beam up, but there's no place to load it because this is all going to be open through there. So what we're going to do is bring another beam through here, which then this will hang off of. It's going to be quite beautiful. So this house is not an atrium model house, but basically we're creating an atrium.